Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can make a 3D object glowing. That's to say, how to make a glowing material so that the surface of this 3D object glow. Here we'll be using Cinema 4D, a program that you use to do 3D modeling or animation. So here we have the logo of Tongtips from this vector form, just like this, and then you drag the vector into extrude just like so, and then voila. Let's make the glowing material by clicking on the material manager just like this. Click on the plus symbol, drag the material into extrude just like that, and then double click on the material to do some tweaks or adjustments. And all we have to do now is to focus on luminance, which is the brightness that you achieve from the inside of the 3D object. That's to say, decrease the brightness, because I personally like it this way so that it's not too bright. You have some parts of the shading from the 3D object, and then you tick the box on the right side of the main star, which is glow. We want to make the 3D object glow, so tick the box just like so. This is the original original settings for the material that that's applied to this 3D object. Let's do a render preview by holding the Control and the R keys on the keyboard. That's still too bright. Let's decrease the outer strength. Maybe this. It's still too bright actually. Decrease it again, and then maybe decrease the radius so that it will be more glowing, because if you increase the radius level, the glowing effect will be dispersed just like this. It's too dispersed. So we're going to make the 3D object shine from the inside a little bit more. So decrease the radius just like this. Then if we do a render preview and you just do some tweaks with the outer strength. Ooh, it's really glowing now. Do it a little bit lower. Ooh, really glowing. It's really cool now. Now it glows just like so. And you can maybe change the inner strength of the glow as well, so that it doesn't look that glowing, or maybe just increase it so that the glow comes from the inside of it. That looks nice now. Let's do another let's do another preview from another perspective. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? Maybe add some base for this logo. For example, if you want to do a plane just like this, and then you you increase the size of the plane just like so, and you make a new material that will be absorbing the glow by clicking on reflectance, and then you just change the type of the specular into a reflection. That's to say, increase the reflection strength, and then decrease the roughness, or maybe just decrease the reflection strength so that it doesn't reflect that much. Do another preview, and then nah, we haven't applied the material yet. So if we make it black just like this, and then we do another render preview. Ooh, now it's looking cool. We have this reflection as well as we go on. Ooh, cool. Maybe reduce the reflection strength again, and then decrease the roughness so that it looks like this. Ooh, fancy, isn't it? Ooh, it's glowing now. Alright, looking glow. It's really glowing now. Fancy, isn't it? From many angles it looks really cool. You can even change the color by clicking on color, and then drag the slider into the color that you want, just like this, and then change the luminance so that it looks like this. And then you do another render preview, and then oh yeah, it looks pink now. That's cool. What if we change the color into blue? Change the color and the luminance's color into the same color, just like this. And then ooh, now it's blue, light blue. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make a 3D object glowing using Cinema 4D. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.